Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm back with a burger recipe. It was very yummy and delicious. Do try this recipe at home and I'm sure you're gonna like it. So let's get started. So we need salt according to taste, half teaspoon red chili powder, a little bit of turmeric, half teaspoon dry coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon red chili flakes, 2 crushed green chilies, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, boneless chicken around half kg, some chopped green coriander, 2 tablespoon chili garlic sauce, and some mozzarella cheese. And this step is optional. If you don't like it, just skip this one. Here I took some hot dog buns. Take a pan, add 3 tablespoons of butter and melt the butter. Then add ginger garlic paste, add cumin seeds, adding green chilies, then just stir it for a minute or two. And add chicken. We need to cook the chicken till it turns its color from pink to white. And then when it separates the water, you need to add the spices. Add salt, red chili powder, turmeric, then add dry coriander powder, red chili flakes, and at last I'm adding lemon. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add chili garlic sauce and cook for more 2 minutes. There you go, our chicken is ready. This is how it should look like. Just going to prepare my buns now. So take a pan, add some butter, melt the butter and spread it all over the pan. Then add some green coriander, stir it and add the buns. Keep the flame low. After a minute or two, I'm turning the side. This is how your buns should look from the other side. So we'll do this for both sides and we're done. Then take a plate, add your bun, add some mayonnaise and spread it with the help of a spoon, just like this. Then add prepared chicken. Then add some mozzarella cheese. Again, it's optional. You can skip this step if you don't like cheese. Adding some ring onions for more flavor. Then add chili garlic mayo. And we're done. Just adding the upper part of the bun. And there you go. Our burger is ready. Look how delicious it looks. Definitely it's very yummy. You should try this recipe at home. And just showing you how it looks from the inside. Alright, see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Take care. Bye.